Are your Outlook favorites disappearing or scrambling again? You carefully arrange them, and the next day they're gone. In this video I'll show you the permanent fix for classic Outlook in 2025, from quick checks to the rock-solid solution. Let's jump in. Why this happens. Favorites vanish in classic Outlook because of three main issues: navigation pane corruption, add-ins interfering, or a damaged Outlook profile or data file. Step 1. Quick fix, restart and visibility check. First, restart Outlook. If that doesn't help, check that favorites are visible. In classic Outlook, go to the View tab, choose Folder pane, and make sure Favorites is checked. Quick Re-add, temporary relief. To restore a missing favorite, right-click the folder you want, for example an inbox subfolder, and choose Add to Favorites. Drag it to reorder inside Favorites. Step 2. Reset the navigation pane, most common fix. Now for the most effective quick repair, reset the navigation pane. Close Outlook. Press Windows key +R. Type outlook.exe/resetnavpane, then press Enter. Outlook will restart with a rebuilt navigation pane. Remember, this clears the old list, so you'll re-add favorites after the reset. After Outlook restarts, re-add favorites from a clean pane. Right-click a folder, select Add to Favorites, and drag to reorder. Step 3. Repair PST files, Inbox Repair Tool. When Outlook is closed, use any PST repair tool, for example, Microsoft's built-in scanpst.exe, to scan and repair the file. Once the repair finishes, reopen Outlook and check favorites again. For Exchange or IMAP OST accounts, it's usually quicker to just rebuild your Outlook profile instead. Step 4. Safe mode test and disabling add-ins. Sometimes add-ins cause favorites to disappear or behave oddly. Here's how to test it. First, close Outlook completely. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. In the Run box that appears, type outlook.exe/safe, then press Enter. Outlook will now open in safe mode. Check if your favorites behave normally. If they do, the problem is most likely caused by a faulty add-in. To disable add-ins, open Outlook normally. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. From the menu, click Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Add-ins from the left panel. Now look at the bottom of the window where it says Manage. Make sure COM Add-ins is selected, then click the Go button. You'll see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck one add-in at a time to disable it, then click OK. Restart Outlook and check if favorites are stable. Repeat the process until you find the add-in that's causing the issue. Step 5. Permanent fix, create a fresh profile. The permanent solution is often a new profile. Close Outlook. In Control Panel, search for Mail. Click Show Profiles Add, name it Outlook 2025, add your account, and set it as default. Open Outlook, let it sync, and re-add favorites. Step 6. From now on, they should stay put. For IT admins, run the resetnavpane command remotely, manage add-ins with GPO, and keep Outlook on a stable update channel. To prevent issues, keep Outlook updated, avoid risky add-ins, run resetnavpane if favorites act up, and rebuild your profile if problems return. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if the classic fix worked for you. Recap: check visibility, reset the NAV pane, repair PSTs, test add-ins, and if needed, create a new profile. That's the reliable fix for classic Outlook favorites in 2025.